Do you have the courage to pursue the thing that keeps you awake at night? You say you want success, but can you endure the silence when nobody believes in you? Can you keep moving when pain becomes your only company? When failure laughs in your face, will you still have the guts to try again? Everyone wants the glory. No one wants the grind. You talk about your dreams like they owe you something. They don't. You owe them your focus, your time, your pain, your discipline. Do you think greatness is built in comfort? It's born in exhaustion, in lonely nights, in the moments when you're one breath away from quitting. Can you stay in the fire long enough to be forged? Can you bleed for something that might not pay you back right now, but will change your entire life later? You say you want to be unstoppable. Then stop stopping. No one's coming to save you. No one's handing out discipline. You either build it or you stay average. So I'll ask you again, do you have the courage to fight, to fail, to rise again? Because if you do, you don't need luck. You are the storm.